How to recover Snapchat streaks. Now, it is absolutely possible to recover Snapchat streaks. Sometimes, whenever you have lost a streak with someone, Snapchat will automatically give you the option called restore. So, if there is an option called restore, they will give you this option for a couple of times with a couple of friends that you have on Snapchat to restore them. Now, another feature is if you have got Snapchat Premium, right? So if you have got Snapchat Plus, you can actually choose to basically restore your Snapchat streak, as that is actually one of the features. So you can say get a free restore to save a lost snap streak. So this is also one of the reasons. But otherwise, you can contact the Snapchat team themselves. So after you come here, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. Now from the settings tab, scroll down and tap on the different various options. So you'll have to tap on the option that says help. So go to help center over here. Now from help center, just select the option I lost my streak and select how can I get my streak lost over here. So it says fill out this form and we will review your request. So tap on this form button. Now simply type in your username, email, mobile number, chat type with which friend you lost, the friend's username also. So just find out the username and only one per submission, by the way. And then they will review it and then check if you've lost a snap streak and help you restore it. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.